Hi there, welcome to Magic Mass by OPM at Malviya OP. Here we have two candles. One is long candle and the other is short candle. And the ratio of their burning hours in the beginning is 7 to 10. This was before burning. And after 3 hours of burning, this ratio reduces to 4 to 7. Correct? So we can say the ratio before and after. Ratio before and after the burning becomes 7/4 for the long candle and it becomes 10/7 for the short candle. So from this the ratio of long candle to short candle can be given as 7/4 to 10/7. So this becomes 7 multiplied by 7 to 4 multiplied by 10. So what we get is 49/40, right? So it is clear the long candle is equal to 49 units of length and the short candle is equal to 40 units of length. The difference of length therefore is 49 minus 40 units and this is equal to 27 centimeters. Correct? So from this 1 unit equals 27/9, that makes it 3 centimeters. Since the length of long candle is equal to 49 units, so this becomes 49 multiplied by 3 centimeters. So we get finally 147 centimeters. That's the length of the long candle and this is your answer here. So friends, a very challenging question has been solved in very simple and easy steps. So please like and share this video and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching it. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye for now. Thank you.